Does creating environments in Unreal Engine scare you? Well, those days are about to be over. Pulling from his bag of industry secrets, Joe Garth is going to help you create incredible-looking environments for your projects in record time. This is a man who started out by making fan art and mods in the Far Cry and Crysis level editors, only to get noticed and hired by the game's developer Crytek. After that, he worked on Quixel's gorgeous Rebirth short and now runs his own company selling Unreal Engine assets. Take it from Joe, dreams really do come true. And if you yourself are trying to break into the industry, you're going to want to listen to everything he has to say.
This is really one of the fastest workflows you can get for generating terrain. You're really just painting, but in real time with alpha brushes. So here I'm repositioning the procedural foliage spawner, and I'm constantly just moving it, hitting simulate. Once I've got it in the position that I want, I go in and I tweak and edit the foliage types.
This course is all about creativity, so the majority of what you'll learn will utilize powerful pre-made kits and assets to shape your environments. Whether you're working on games, film, concept art, or anything in between, even if you've never opened Unreal before, by the end of these lessons, you'll be able to create something beautiful. Not only will this course show you the best practices when using pre-made kits like Brushify, but it actually includes all the premium assets Joe uses during the course. That means that your course purchase will get you everything you see here at no additional cost. Armed with the knowledge you're about to learn and these powerful tools, there is no telling what you'll create. Sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.